Okay, today we are buying a new item, and if you don't, it's whatever, it's this, what is this? So yeah, it's this odd little seat here. There's nothing new around here, it's just that. So let's get it. Also, I did not look at the chat, so... But yeah. Oh wow, that actually looks pretty nice. I do now. Oh no, grab man. Anyways, it looks actually really nice. It has probably some good endurance. Yeah. I just want to get every new item now. I just need some. I seen someone change colors. I'm brushing this since I don't want to.
It makes you different colors. It makes you different colors.
Oh yeah.
It makes you different colors.
It's really cool. Anyways, so yeah, it looks nice. It's like a multi-color changer, so I'm just gonna.
Wait, who wants to make this different colors in the office? Who wants to make this different colors in the office?
So yeah, this is what it looks like. So it makes you multicolor, and just so you know that it changes color every time you hit it. Thank you for actually watching this video. If you made it this far, then you made it this far.